monophobia, fear of being alone. Chicken or boy, can't remember. All day I thought about their skin, their throat soft as a harp. My piano, it's broken. I miss my music. Lately, my days have been without sound. The boys there in the barn tied up, they give me my hearing back. Those boys, don't say I don't love them. I chop them down to pieces myself, the work, the axe, the strain on my muscle. Don't say I don't love them, those boys. Sometimes I am crying. Sometimes I hear them talk about running away. They want to leave me. The boys there in the barn, tied up. They are too soft for this earth. I wish someone had been so kind to me.